Hi there. This is a short video on using Squoosh.app to compress your images. As you know, as more and more people go mobile, they're downloading websites on their phone, or they're viewing websites on their phones, and if the images you're placing on your website are enormous, you're filling up their phone quite quickly. So this will help you keep them happy, but remove or reduce the overall file size to much more manageable levels. Now I have here a couple of samples from a client supplied set of photos. They're gorgeous photos, but they are enormous. This one's 19 megs, this one's 20 meg, 20 meg, 25 meg. And if we double click this, you can see it's a really great image at 11%. If I go all the way up to 100%, it's so big it won't fit anywhere. So what we want to do is make it the maximum size we want to use it, but we also want to squish it down and make it web friendly. So to do that, I'm just going to drag this photo here and drop it. It's going to take a couple of moments. It's going to show you that it's 20 meg currently. It can compress it down to 2.2 meg, but we want to go one step further. We want to resize it down to the maximum width we will need it. Now, although this is going on the front page, it's only going to be about 50% of the front page. The front page overall interior width is 1250, so about half of that is all we need. So I'm just going to go maybe a little bit bigger than what I want, maybe 800 pixels wide. Okay, because it'll never be displayed larger than that image. Okay. So if I press enter, you can see that this would now compress down to 122 kilobytes from 20 meg. So click here to download. I'm going to put it in the same place just so we can compare it. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong one. Assets, client supplied, and I'm going to call this first photo. Yes, I know I could just add the dashes, but I'm old school. What can I tell you? Site. Okay. So now let's take a look at this. This was this one, and this was this one. If we open them side by side, there's the squished version, there's the normal version. Can you see any difference in those two? No. Neither will your web visitors, but they'll thank you for bringing a lot less down to their phone. So that's Squish. It's really easy to use. When you're ready to do the next one, click here and drag and drop it over. Thanks so much.